Okay, so this is the way to the tea park. What this guy is doing. Girls, this is a tea viewpoint. Tea viewpoint. So this is down the hills of the Dabetta viewpoint itself. So high yield tea, homemade chocolate. So something. See, high hill tea view garden. These guys make tea here. I think this is a free cup of tea. Yes, this is okay. Let's go. To see. Let me park, bro. Look it here itself. Not in the entrance, somewhere here. Okay, so that parking of my bike is like an auto parking. Take. Okay. So park my bike here, getting into this tea garden viewpoint. Okay. Here also there is an entry fees. There are some snack counters on the outside also. Okay. Oh. So this is a photography. Okay. The main source of income here. This is a free tea counter over. Costly hit 160 rupees for this chocolate. So about 2 pieces.
Spices also there. Milky spices. Cardamom, clove, pepper, cinnamon, jeera, sajeera, fried ginger, Marathi mocha.
Chocolates, good shop, bomb price. So 320 rupees for 2. Not even half kg. So it's now half kg now. Okay. So yeah, let me pack now. So okay, all done with Ooty Tea Estate, all those things. So next I'm traveling back home, so I'll take there is a pine forest view while on the way towards Gudalur. So Gudalur, Gundalpet, that's how I take. So come down to the city. Somewhere here there is botanical garden also. Let me try to do that botanical garden also, because so I'm all done with Ooty's top most popular viewpoints. So let me figure out where is the botanical garden. The main thing that you enjoy here is weather itself. The weather alone is what that you are gonna enjoy here. The weather is so crazy. Okay, so let me figure out where is the botanical garden. People are going on down. Garden in the paka.